Let's go over the 4 basic operations in math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What do these operations really mean? Addition is just increasing the quantity or size of an item by adding more of that item. If I have 2 apples and I buy 3 more apples, I now have 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. If I own land that is 4 acres, and I buy 3 acres of land, then I have 4 acres plus 3 acres equals 7 acres of land. Subtraction is taking away or decreasing the amount of an item. Say I have 5 apples, and I give away 4 apples, I now have 5 apples minus 4 apples equals 1 apple. If I have 5 gallons of water, I use 2 gallons to water my lawn, I have 5 gallons minus 2 gallons equals 3 gallons left. The mention of the item, whether land, apple, pencil, meter, etc., is often omitted, but it is important to note that only, like, items can be added or subtracted to give a numeric value of that item. 2 bulbs plus 5 bulbs equals 7 bulbs. We write 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 43 flowers minus 16 flowers equals 27 flowers. We write 43 minus 16 equals 27. It doesn't matter what the item is, as long as we are adding the same items. This, in math, is called like terms. If you add or subtract different items, then your answer will have to mention each item. 3x plus 4y is 3x plus 4y. 4a minus 2b is 4a minus 2b. Where x, y, a, and b refer to random items like apples, grapes, houses. You cannot add or subtract different items to get an answer in any one item. They are different items. So 3 apples plus 5 apples equals 8 apples, but 3 apples plus 5 oranges is 3 apples plus 5 oranges. Operand is just a fancy word to refer to the number before or after the operation sign. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 is also said as 3 times 5 is equal to 15. The first operand is 3, the second operand is 5, the operation is multiplication. Multiplication is increasing the quantity of an item by the number of times indicated by the second operand. So, 21 times 4 is 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21 and 35 times 3 is 35 plus 35 plus 35. So, multiplication is just repeated addition of a number to itself. Doing these additions every single time is time-consuming, and therefore, students are encouraged to memorize multiplication tables, but this is just for convenience. Remembering that 9 times 8 is equal to 72 is a lot easier than adding 9 to itself 8 times, isn't it? Division is an operation that divides a collection of items into as many groups or parts as indicated by the second operand. So, 35 divided by 7 means divide a collection of 35 items into groups of 7 of that item, and the answer is 5. 63 divided by 9 means divide a collection of 63 items into groups of 9 of that item, and the answer is 7. Again, just like in addition and subtraction, the item names like apple, orange, foot are omitted unless the items are different. So 4x divided by 2y is 2x divided by y. And 6a multiplied by 4b is 24ab. The operations get performed on the numerical values, but the items are mentioned. It should be noted that division can be written in 3 ways as shown. To summarize, the addition operation adds different numerical values together. The multiplication operation adds a value to itself as many times as the second operand. The subtraction operation takes the value of the second operand away from the first operand. The division operation takes away the value of the second operand from the first as many times as possible. Thanks for watching, And I hope now you have a better understanding of what the 4 basic operations mean. If you liked this video, please give it a like, and, of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos.